few videos with the pieces of equipment that I've broken down. So this bike now, what's happened here is the bearings come out. I've only got a few gears. So while I was on my daily ride, I'm over in Hove and the fucking sprockets come out. Can you see it just there? I don't know what's made it happen, but as I'm riding, the chains come off, cog has come loose. I've taken off the back wheel, tried to get it to sort itself out, relay worked, so I've had to jump in a taxi and get back. So first off, it was the boxing bag and the hooks, and I put a bit too much pressure on the bike. You see it there, so I'm gonna have to, hopefully the warranty covers it, I can take you back. See, sometimes you don't know your own strength, do you? Well, there you go. So what's happened is the bearings have come out of the centre here, and then the gear cog has come loose. How much gears on here? I don't even know how much gears. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. So that's come loose, and then that's come off the back. I don't know if when I was changing the gears, it must have caught, and then the pressure of the push down of the leg has caused it to come loose. I was in Hove when this happened as well, you know. Should have the warranty. I've only had it like 6 months. I've only done like 20, 30 rides on it. But there you go. I've gone over to Halfords, and the guy that was working there that morning, because it was nice and early, he's kindly helped me out with the gear cog, and they've changed it for me. Due to the warranty, he's done it for free. It had this come without a plastic bit at the end now. But what I've got to do, I've got to go back and get them to calibrate the gears. This gear arm is not pulling the chain to the right gear cog that it's meant to be on. I've had a mess about with these screws at the bottom here, this little dial there, and then also at the top of the grip shift you've got another little piece there as well. So those sort out the gears and how the cog moves, and the chain goes up and down the gear cog on the arm. But yeah, luckily enough, he was able to sort it out for me, so that was a blessing, to be honest. Give it a few months and I'll get a decent bike with a bit more gears. This one's only got the 6 gears. You wouldn't think so though. Stay fit, people, stay strong. Yeah.